How to fix the test call feature not showing in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in Microsoft Teams, and then if I go ahead and go to my settings, so just click the three dots, click settings right here, and then go to devices, there will be a feature right here where I can make a test call. And when I go ahead and use that, it will just go ahead and create a test call with the Microsoft Echo AI. So what that will do is that it will just go ahead and tell you to speak to the mic so that you can go ahead and hear if your audio is correct. Then it will also show you your camera so that you can see if your video settings is correct as well. And then keep in mind that in order to use this feature, you can only use that if you have like a Microsoft Work or school account. So you need to have maybe like a Microsoft Business account so that you can use this feature right here. So because if you are using like the Microsoft personal account, or maybe if you are just using a free Microsoft account, it is not possible in that version of Microsoft Teams. So you need to have Microsoft Teams work or school account. So you can also see this right here in the official documentation by Microsoft. And as you can see, it says right here in Microsoft Teams for work or school, you can customize your call settings, manage delegates, set voicemail images, and so on. And then from here, you will see that you can make a test call by having a Microsoft Work or school account. So if you're just using the free version of Microsoft Teams, so there isn't really a way for you to create a or use the test call. So what you can do is that you can just go ahead and create an instant meeting so that you can test your audio and video settings. So I can also show you right here. So here is like the Microsoft Work account that I have right here. But if I go ahead and change to a Microsoft personal account, which is this one, so when you go right here to the devices settings, you can see that the test call is not here anymore. So as I said, you can only use it using a Microsoft Business account or like a work or school account. And then in order to create a test call for yourself, you just need to go ahead and create an instant meeting. So let's go ahead and create a meeting right here. So let's go ahead and click create a meeting link, create a copy link. And then from here, we can just click join right here. And then we now have the audio and video settings. So you can go ahead and edit that and then click join now. And then from here, since you are the only one inside the meeting, you can go ahead and test out your audio and video settings. And then that is it. So the only way to fix the test call not showing in your Microsoft Teams is that you need to log into a Microsoft Work or school account. And then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.